khi tân tổ đặt giá tràn đặt giá tràn đặt khi tân tổ đặt giá tràn đặt giá tràn.
And welcome to week 43 of Radio Kai.
Okay, so we all hope you all enjoyed. We had the cracking show last week, didn't we, go on?
Yeah, Dion, we will smash it.
Yeah, we're gonna smash it this week, aren't we, go on? Who did we interview last week, go on?
Riff.
No, it was who, wasn't it, Don?
Yeah.
That was a cracking interview, that wasn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that show, didn't we, Ross?
Yeah.
And this week it's going to be another success of a show. We got there were all of our features this week, such as our cracking mystery song. What's the mystery song on?
5 different songs.
From 5 decades, head on.
Yeah.
And also Wash is here with us today. Hello Wash, how are you?
Thank you.
Yes, good, thank you. Where are you taking us on history today?
I'm going to Nottingham today.
Nottingham, cool. We also got Ethan here. He's not in the studio at the moment. He'll be here very shortly. We also got Lacey here. Hello,
Hey,
Lacey.
we have a cracking top 5 charts this week.
Yeah, we are. We also got our news from latest updates from around the school as well, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We also got our sports presenters, our cracking sports presenters, yet on.
Yeah.
Are they cracking?
Yeah.
We also got Max and Peter, our sports legends, with the sports updates. We also got our interview feature for this week, haven't we, gone? Who's our cracking guest this week?
Riff.
And he does loads of amazing stuff, doesn't he, go on? What does he do?
Cracking stuff.
Such as filming and stuff like that. I'm sure he used to play football as well, did he, go on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 2 requests here for us coming up. And who are they from, Don?
Mews.
And what songs could you pick, Don?
Elvis Presley.
The One Love You and Bruce Springsteen, Don. Which Bruce Springsteen song did you pick?
Born to Run.
Okay, so we're gonna start off this cracking show this week with Elvis Presley with The Wonder of You, yet on. And then we'll have the mystery song straight after this.
When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you give me love and consolation. You give me hope to carry on, and you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. That's the wonder of you. And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Oh, your love to me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you. Waiting.
amazing song with King of Rock and Roll, Elvis Presley. There, the one of you, and that's for Mrs. Hughes, who is a music teacher. Now, coming up next is the mystery song. This is a featuring of 5 different awesome songs from legendary decades. We hope you enjoy these songs. We put them out together to put together for you. Hey!
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week. Song number 5 this week.
Okay, guys, so we hope you enjoyed all those 5 legendary decades of music. Get on.
Yeah, they are.
Yes, go on. So, coming up next here on Radio Card, we've got Born to Run. Haven't we gone? And who is it by?
Brave Dean
And
Days.
this is an awesome song from 1975. Get on. With Born to Run. It's a legendary song.
In the day we sweated out on the streets of a runaway American dream. At night we racked the mansions of glory and suicide machines. Sprung from cages on Highway 9, chrome wheel, fuel injected and stepping out over the line. Oh, maybe this town rips the bones from your back. It's a death trap. It's a suicide rap. We gotta get out while we're young. 'Cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run. Yes, girl, we were. Wendy, let me in. I wanna be your friend. I wanna guard your dreams and visions. Just wrap your legs round these velvet rims and strap your hands across my engines. Together we could break this trap. We'll run till we drop. Baby, we'll never go back. Oh, you walk with me out on the wire. 'Cause baby, I'm just a scared and lonely rider. But I gotta know how it feels. I wanna know if love is wild, babe. I wanna know if love is real. Oh, can you show me? Beyond the palace, semi-powered drones scream down the boulevard. Girls comb their hairs in rearview mirrors, and the boys try to look so hard. The amusement park rides are full and start. Kids are huddled on the beach in the mirrors. I wanna die with you, Wendy, on the street tonight, and an everlasting kiss. Huh. The highway's jammed with broken heroes on a last chance power drive. Everybody's out on the run tonight, but there's no place left to hide. Together, Wendy, we can live with the sadness. I'll love you with all the madness in my soul. Oh, someday, girl, I don't know when we're gonna get to that place where we really wanna go, and we'll walk in the sun.
This is the history. This is the history.
This week's show was about history, about the Halloween show, about the vampires. So, hope you enjoyed last week's history about the vampire. So, today I'm going to Nottingham, all the way to Robin Hood for Sherwood Forest. So, I hope you enjoy it. The last one was Bruce Springsteen, Born to Run. I can't sing it, I can't remember what's the name of all of the song, but hope you enjoy this Born to Run by Bruce Springsteen. Now we've got the history about Robin Hood Sherwood Forest in Nottingham. So, the legendary Cherokee outlaw, original deprecated in English, apparently, Foco, and subsequently featured in literary theatre and cinema according to legend. He was highly skilled archer and swordsman. So I'll talk about more about archer. Archery is like a stick that you're gonna basically play and throw it on the archery thing. So, and swordsman, it's probably something about sword, but I don't really know that because it's not saying a lot about it. So, in some versions of the legend, he is depicted as a being of noble birth, and in modern retellings, apparently, he is sometimes depicted as having fought in the Crozanders before returning to England to find his lands taken by the Sheriff of Nottingham, which is apparently robbing the rich to give the poor, apparently. So today he is most closely associated with the Stans through retailing addition and variations as a bodyguard, of familiar characters associated with Robin Hood. Well, I'll tell you one, and it's saying on the Google Wikipedia, but I don't want to look at this. It's called Maid Marian, the Merryman, and also it's King Richard. No, it's not. It's King Richard properly. So, and his chief opponent, the Sheriff of Nottingham. The Sheriff is often depicted as Assistant Prince John as well, in portraying the rightful but absent to who Robin Hood remains loyal. He became a popular folk figure in the late Middle Ages, and his patronage of the common people and opposition to the sheriff are some of the earlier recorded theatre of a legendary, while his politics interested and settings during the Angevin era developed in later centuries. The earliest known ballads featuring him are from the 15th century. Also, Robin Hood, he got a film. I know I'm talking about something very different now, but there's got a film of Robin Hood. Probably there's 1 and 2, maybe there's 3, I don't know. And there's a lot of books, which is I got all, as you do. I got 2 books of Robin Hood. Did I read them? No. I have not read them. I'm going to read it. No, I'm going to leave it in my bookshelf. So, there have been numerous variations and adaptations of the story over the subsequent years, and the story continues to be widely represented in literary, film and television media today. Robin Hood is considered one of the best known tales of English folklore in popular culture. The term Robin Hood is often used to describe a heroic outlaw, apparently rebel against tyranny. Never heard of that name. The origins of the legend, as well as the historical context, have been debated For centuries and more centuries probably, there are numerous references to historical figures with similar names that have been proposed as possible evidence of its existence, some dating back to the late 30s. No, joking, it's the 13th century. At least 8 plausible origins to the story have been mooted by history and folklorists, including suggestion that Robin Hood was Stoke alleys used by or in reference to bandits. Anyway, so I've been to Nottingham myself, so I got a bit more history about it. So we got a statue in Nottingham of Robin Hood by the castle, which is the Sherwood Forest by there. We got Castle, which is King Richard apparently gone and live there in the film. And we also have a ghost walk, which is apparently you see Robin Hood. Did I see him? No. So I hope you enjoy about that, and got back to this now. Nearly. The first clear reference to rhymes of Robin Hood is from the alliterative poem Piers Plowman, thought to have been composed in the 13th century, apparently. Followed shortly afterwards by a quantity of later common proverb. Many speak of Robin Hood and never shot his bow. Ah, that's what it is, a bow and arrow. Forgot. In the Friar Doe's replay and complaint in device and Poper 1405 in and 14 for 10 that people would rather listen to tales and songs of Robin Hood that attend mass. Robin Hood is also mentioned in Lollard tract dated the first half of the 15th century, but also possible pretending his other earlier historical mentions alongside several other folk heroes such as Guy of Warwick. No, it's not from Warwick. Bevis of Hampton, and apparently Sir Lepio's, never heard of him. Anyway, however, the earliest Irving copies of a narrative ballad date to the second half of the 15th century on the first decade of the 16th century. In the earlier accounts, Robin Hood participated of the lower classes in devotion to the Virgin Mary and advocated special regard for a woman called, I don't know, don't ask. His outstanding skill as an archer, his anti-clerical and his practical animosity towards the Sheriff of Nottingham, which is his worst enemy, by the way, and already clear the Little John much familiar son, and Will Scarlet as Will Scarlock, or Scatterlock. I don't know if I say that right, you have to Google it. Anyway, all appear, although not yet Maid Marian, or Friar Tuck, the friar, has been part of the legend since at least the later 15th century, when he is mentioned in a Robin Hood play script. Well, in modern popular culture, Robin Hood is typically seen as contemporary and supported of the late 12th century. King Richard the Lionheart, Robin being driven to Altdorf during the miserable of Richard's brother John, while Richard was away at the Third Crusade. This view first gained current in the 16th century. It is not supported by the earlier ballads. The earlier complaints as a guest of Robin Hood, named the King of Edward, and while it's doing so, Robin Hood accepting the kind pardon. He later repatriated in and returned to the Greenwood. So that is the forest, by the way. The oldest survey Ivan ballad Robin Hood and the Monk gives even less support to the picture of Robin Hood and partisan of the true king. The setting of the earlier ballads is unusual, attributed by scholars to either the 13th century or the 14th century, although it is recognised they are not necessarily historical consistent, apparently. Apparently so. Hope you enjoy this history this week. It's about Robin Hood, Maid Marian, and all of the Robin Hood cast. So I hope you enjoy that. And the next one is Jolene by one of my favourite artists, which is I said every week, but everything is my favourite, is Dolly Parton. So the next song is Jolene by Dolly Parton. Goodbye for now. Dolly Parton by Jolene. See you next week. Goodbye.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You could have your choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, Jolene.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Things are getting busier and the railway news are heading there. Welcome to Preservation Periodical for November 2025. We've got a lot of news in the railroading circles. Let's get going. First up, the Lake State Railway in Michigan debuts their Paramarquette unit number 6437. Painted up in the similar livery to the E7s that pulled the Paramarquette train. Gotta say, that is way better. Imagine having that double head with Paramarquette Heritage Unit from CSX Transportation. Next up, the Wilmington and Western Railroad returns after a very brief hiatus. Pretty much they have been gone for about a few months and then they returned. What a surprise story. Up next, the Railroad Heritage of Midwest America has made significant progress on Union Pacific Railroad 3985. It's planned on returning to operation soon, don't you worry, alongside 5511. Next up, Union Pacific 4014 has some excursion updates. It'll be going from coast to coast, west coast to east coast. It's to celebrate the 250th birthday of the USA. Gotta say, a big boy returning east to basically where it was built, that's no surprise. Up next, the McLeod River Railroad number 90 made a grand return. Everybody knows it from Emperor of the North. Basically, the engine returned because it's at the Age of Steam Roundhouse in Sugar Creek, Ohio. Next up, the Temple Lumber Company number 20 moves to a new home in Rusk, Texas. Apparently to be used as a logging exhibit with it as the core. Up next, Denver Rio Grande Western number 223 is being restored and is going to be at the Colorado Railroad Museum. Gotta say, that'll make it another one of Mark Huber or Heiss's brand new toys to play with at the museum. Up next, we got some significant progress on T15550 as its cylinders is nearly completed. Gotta say about the T1 cylinders getting completed sooner. Next up is Lacey's Music Charts.
Thank you, Ethan, for the guards this week. Now we've got the charts. At number 5, we got Ray Does by Dave. At number 4, we got Open It by Taylor Swift. And number 3, we got Where It Is My Husband by Ray. And number 2, we got The Fate of a Feeling by Taylor Swift. Knocked out on by number 1, Gordon, my hand
Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah. I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I said I'm hooked on a feeling,
tunes from around the school.
So we hope you enjoy that song called Brown Sugar by Rolling Stone. Now we've got the news around the school. Let's see what's going around the school this week. Yes, Dion?
Yes, I think there might be loads of news in the school this week, everyone.
Yes, hopefully.
Well, let's see, shall we do it?
Yeah, let's see, shall we? So, yeah, let's see what's news this week, Dion.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. So there's the fireworks. Well, all week, but the main event was on 5th of November on Wednesday, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? So on Sunday there is a Remembrance Sunday. It's on Sunday. Yeah, so hopefully you will attend it.
It's normally on November 11th, isn't it?
Yeah, it is November 11th, normally. And there's also poppies in the office if you want to buy some bits. Poppies, yeah. Apparently, Miss Hughes told me that. Apparently, so I haven't seen any yet. Anyway, so number 3, there is hot dog in the cafe this week. Well, there is hot dog, but there was.
It wasn't meant to be hot dog sauce.
No.
What was it meant to be, also?
It was butternut squash soup with bread roll. Anyway, let's hope no one don't like that, no. Anyway, I like it. Do you, Dion?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Butternut squash soup, though? Yeah.
It's healthy, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it, Dylan?
Yeah, it is, isn't it, Dylan?
Yes.
Yeah. So, number 4, we got Harvey from Cynradd Saith. That is going to India. India. Yes. Very good.
He has a great time in India. Yes, go on.
Yeah, let's hope. Yeah, let's hope so. Number 5, there is Youth Club on every Thursday, 6:30 until 8:30. Oh yeah, also over 18, there's Youth Club in the library as well. I don't know what time or anything, but
I think it's the same as Holyhead one.
yeah, in a different location. Yeah.
Same time as Izzy's Club, yeah.
Yes. So let's hope everyone will enjoy going to club. Sorry, tonight on Thursday, last Thursday. Yeah.
Yes, Josh.
Yeah. So the next song is apparently "Joy to the World" by Friday Night. I hope you enjoy that song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Was a good friend of mine. I never understood a single word he said, but I helped him a drink his wine. And he always had some mighty fine wine, singing joy to the world.
Joy of the World by Freeborn Knight.
And you're listening to Radio Kime on this fine Friday afternoon. Yeah, whenever you're listening, you're done.
Yeah.
And now we got our mystery song answers for this week. You're done. So our 60 song was gone.
Stand By Me by Benny King.
And that was by Benny King. You're done. How does it go?
Oh, stand by me.
Yes, gone. Also, our 70 song for this week was Dream On by Aerosmith. How does that song go, Don? How does it go, Lacey?
Dream on, dream on, dream on.
And our 80 song was 9 to 5 by Dolly Parton. How does it go, Don?
95 on the way.
And our 90 song was Hey Boy, Hey Girl by the Chemical Brothers. How does that one go?
Hey boy, hey girl, it's not DJs. Here we go.
And also our final mystery song for this week is Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. How does that one go?
Distance, we're falling apart, we've got to start.
There were some great cracking tunes there from the mystery song, and the mystery song will be back next week. Okay, so we've got the amazing Ocean here coming up next, and he's got the leaderboard answers for us. Take it away, Osh.
Thank you, Dion, for the mystery song answers, and I hope you all got that all right. Yeah. Yeah, Dion. So once again, thank you. So got the leaderboard picture round answers now. So hope you enjoy this picture round, and it was 70s pounds from Dion's famous TV shows from the 70s, or for you 1970s, isn't it?
Yeah.
So number 8 for this week is Cunnarin. They got.
Hey, congratulations. Hey.
Yeah. Well done, Cunnarin. They got 5 out of 15 without cheating. So well done.
No cheating.
Yeah, well done. So Cunnav Pedward got 6 out of 15. Number 6, we got Cannelin. They got 7 out of 15. Remember, no cheating, like Dion just said like a minute ago.
If you cheat, you won't take part next week.
Exactly. Well, you know the rules. So, number 5, you got Kanosai, which is, we got 9 out of 15. Also, Kev got 9 out of 15.
Hey, not bad.
Got Cunnav Tree, which is, they got 11 out of 15. Well done. Also, Shoiva got 11 out of 15. Also, Cunnav Pimp got 11 out of 15. So now we got the top 3, apparently. Top 3, so Kane Tin got 13 out of 15. Also, Cunnav Dai got 13 out of 15. Also, Kane Tree got 13 out of 15. Now, we got number 2, we got Kane Pedward, which is, they got 14 out of 15. Number 1, we got Duinwen, which is, they got 15 out of 15. Well done. Also, got Kane Dai, which is, they got 15 out of 15. So, Canal Dai also got 15 out of 15. Also, Cunachwech got 15 out of 15. So, I hope you enjoy this leaderboard and this 70s famous TV show. I don't know about next week, so we wait and see. The next song is for Sion, Boys Are Back in Town by Twin Lizzy. Hope you enjoy that song.
and change had much to say. But man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. You know that chick that used to dance a lot? Every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she'd got. Man, when I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean, she was steaming. And that time over at Johnny's place, well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place. If that chick don't wanna know, forget her. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town. 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 Spread the word around. Guess who's back in town? You spread the word around. Friday night they'll be dressed to kill down at Dino's Bar and Grill. The drink will flow and blood will spill. And if the boys wanna fight, you better let them. That jukebox in the corner blasting out my favorite song. The nights are getting warmer, it won't be long. Won't be long till summer comes. Now that the boys are here again. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. Spread the word around. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back, the boys are back.
we have the Spurs versus the Man United. So the 2-0 to Spurs, 3-0 to Spurs, 2 to United, right? And we have the Huddersfield versus Fulham. So 2-0 for Fulham, and 1-0 to Huddersfield, 2-0 to Huddersfield. And we have West Ham versus the Spurs. 2-0 West Ham. 2-0 West Ham. Also 2-0 West Ham. Now that's a Sunderland versus Arsenal. 1-0 to Arsenal. 2-1 to Sunderland. 2-0 to Arsenal. Then we have the Chelsea with the Wolves. 1-0 to Wolves. 2-0 to Wolves. 2-0 to Chelsea. And we have declared Mrs. Riley. 3-0, Mr. Curtis. 2-2 before draw. And 2-0 for Riley. And we have that's it, we got bottom. 3-0 after the 2-0 for bottom. 2-0 for bottom. And we have a Bradford, which is Newcastle. 2-0 for Newcastle. 2-0 for the Bradford. And 2-1 to Progressives. And we have the Lock Course, which is Eastern United. 2-0 to Eastern United. 2-1 to Eastern United. And 2-0 to the Eastern United. We have here blue, which is red. And the city is Liverpool. This is a 3-game Man City. 3 blue. We have a 5 blue. And have 5 Man City. We have 2 red and 2 Liverpool. We got covered in news. There's a Shaka Wall. Got the news stations. Masada, well, leads the Liverpool. And so that's injured. Hamilton is passing through the Spurs from Canada here. Tiggs and some Joy Wolverhampton. We have the top 10 table. They also got the 25 points. And Man City at 19 points. Liverpool got the 18 points. Sunderland got the 18 points. Borden got 17 points. Spurs got 17. Chelsea got 17. Man United got 17 points. This is close. 60 points. Brighton, 15. Aston Villa, 15. And we have Leicester, 13. And North Forest, 1 point. Fulham, 11 points. Everton, 11 points. And these guys got 11. And McCarthy got 10. Wow, what an amazing work with Murphy. We have got 7 points. Well, if West Ham did get away with it, North Forest got 6 points. And Sammy got Wolverhampton got 2 points. That's a problem here. So that's it for the public show. Since I'm going to be Hebrew, it's like a cover match.
Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you.
Okay, so you're listening to Radio Cab, and now we got Griff here in the studio with us. Hello, Griff, since you.
Oh, dwi'n iawn, diolch, Dion.
Hello, Griff.
Hey, Griff.
Okay, so our first question here for you today is, what's it like having your dad as a boss?
Do you know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's a bit different than other jobs, but I don't mind, honestly. It's quite relaxed. So, yeah.
You prefer to work in young dad or youth?
Which one would you pick?
So ni'n pigo uwchradd, uwchradd dwi di arfer neud dwan, so dwi di bod yn Canes 1 a Canes 2 o blaen a, dwi'n meddwl so well gyda fi uwchradd.
Yeah, uwchradd's great, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. How many views did you get on your small film?
I think I got 4,500 on the one last year on YouTube, and then 2,000 this year on the football one. And then and I got a lot more on TikTok as well, but those are only small clips of the films. But yeah,
That's a lot of feel!
Look,
Cheers,
on my
mate.
YouTube channel.
I want to do to the night city today or see the Liverpool losing.
Oh, well, you know what, yeah. I think I'd rather go to the United game because I'm pretty sure they'd lose anyway.
Pam nes i chi go gen United?
Achos dwi'n meddwl fysa chi'n... Mae yna mwy o chance i chi colli na Liverpool. So, dwi'n meddwl sy'n ni gael mwy o laugh o watchad United.
Wait, I support Liverpool, so if we don't lose...
Yeah, if Liverpool were winning, I'd go watch Liverpool any day.
Yes, that's how you like it.
Oh, nah.
Yes.
Liverpool number 2 in the Premier League.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Oh
with
yeah,
next week.
Man, you were like 15s.
Yeah. Well, the fifth question for you is, what do you like doing in your spare time?
In my spare time, I like playing football for a local team, Kevney FC. I go to boxing as well, and then otherwise I like to try and write scripts and hopefully make more videos to put on YouTube. And otherwise I just like chilling, really. Just doing this thing.
You still play football with team A4.
Dwi'n chwarae Clwb Pêl-droed Cefni yn Isgraig. I play for CPD Cefni yn Isgraig. Yeah, a dyn ni efo game ar y weekend yn ebyn Pentraeth.
Let's hope Kim Gevney wins here, mate. We wish for the best of that game.
Oh, diolch yn fawr, diolch yn fawr.
What do you prefer to do? Acting or writing scripts?
I'd say that I prefer writing scripts all in all because I reckon, yeah, that's what I do in my spare time. But I do like acting as well. I do like acting, but yeah, writing scripts is number one for me.
Hey Chris, I've got another question. Why did you working before working in a Kai?
Well, this time around I worked in a theatre company down in Aberystwyth before coming back to Caib. And yeah, I was there for a year and then I'm back up here now.
For how long are you in camp for now?
We'll see, but I'm definitely here till November and then we'll see further on from there. But yeah, I don't quite know yet, but yeah, we'll see.
Okay, let's see what your dad thinks, shall we? Our ninth question here is, have you got a new film project coming up soon?
Yes, hopefully we'll be filming something before Christmas. Cicio episode 2, so rhywbeth I dilyn fyny ar y peth pêl-droed, ond efo mwy o storyline. So, os mae rhywun yn gwrando, dwi'n gwachod Come On Midfield o blaen, rhywbeth tebyg i hynna. So, gobeithio ffilmio rhywbeth fel acyn diwedd y flwyddyn.
Song do you want to end with?
Dwi'n iawn I fi orffan efo Pyro gan Kings of Leon, please.
Yep, so today we're gonna finish off with Pyro by Kings of Leon. Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Cả khi tân tổng thì đặt giá tràn, đặt giá tràn. Cả khi tân tổng thì đặt giá tràn, đặt giá tràn.